are you doing? I hope you're having an amazing weekend. So today I'm unboxing, or unbagging I should say, my Splendies for August 2019. If you are unfamiliar with Splendies, it is an underwear subscription. So what I love about the subscription is that it is affordable. You get 3 pairs of panties every month and you get to customize it to your liking. And they fit such a wide variety of shapes and sizes. So they go from size small to 4X. So hopefully you can fit most people. Pricing starts at $14. It's like $14 to $14.99 depending on how many months you get at a time. So monthly it's $14.99. I was looking at their website today just to make sure I had all the pricing correct and stuff in my head, and it looks like when you go on the website, something pops up and you can save like almost 30% or something like that right now. So I will leave the link down below if you're interested in signing up. So when I said you can customize the subscription, what I mean is you can obviously choose your size, but then you choose what kind of underwear you would like to receive. I'm trying to say underwear, not panties, because I know some people really hate hearing the word panties. I don't really get it, but I'm trying to respect that, so underwear. So you could choose to get all thongs, all just like regular underwear, or you can get a surprise mix, and I chose the surprise mix because I like to wear them all, you know. I'm open to whatever underwear. Their underwear's always been so comfortable and so cute. I believe this is either the 3rd or 4th month I've been getting this. Maybe 3rd, I don't know, one of those. And I've been just loving it, and I realized I really needed a underwear refresh, you know. Some periods you don't realize, like, time goes by so fast. It's already September tomorrow, like crazy. Like, you need some new underwear, I bet, if you're like me. But anyways, this is the mailer bag it comes in. So let's get this open and see what I received this month. Seems like the past few months I've received like 2 regular underwears and 1 thong, so I'm not sure if that's how it always will be, so let's see. So it comes wrapped up like this. Ooh, it looks like there's like an animal print under you in there. Nice. So on here it says Splendies, established 2013, and they're based out of Santa Monica, California. Ooh, there is. So here's what it looks like when I open it. They're all, or here, I'll take them up. They're all folded nice and pretty. Now let's start with that like leopard print or cheetah print. For some reason I'm always not great with the prints, but this is cute. So it's got like some pink lace on the top and the sides, and then is cheetah. This looks like it'd be really comfortable too. Oh my gosh. So yeah, super cute print, super comfy. Like the material feels great. So let's look at what the material is from and the brand. So this is by Honeydew. And this is the Alex Rand Lace Hipster. The color is called Natural Leopard, so it is leopard print. And the retail value is $13. So pretty much the price of the bag for one of these pairs of underwear. And let's see, it's made out of 95% rayon and 5% spandex. Machine wash cold. Okay, cool. So yeah, these feel great. I always like stuff made with rayon, so excited to get these. And then, okay, so it is another 2 pairs of regular panties and then 1 thong. So here is the other regular panty here. This is a pretty print. It's like pretty and fallish too. It's like pretty blue. It's got some leaves and like flowers on there. The lace detail on the front and the sides again. There's a little bow. So this is by Splendies, and this has a retail value of $12. This feels like really good material. It feels similar to the first pair, so let's see. So this is 94% polyester and 6% spandex, machine wash cold. So awesome. I think these are really cute also. And then the last, these are so pretty. Oh my gosh. These are by Love Libby. So we have 3 brands this month. And this is a thong. I think this is my favorite. I was gonna see the leopard print, but this print is beautiful. And to be honest, like I usually wear like thongs most days, like if I'm out, depending on my outfit. And this is awesome because I feel like this material and like the way it is, like it won't really show underneath your clothing, which is like my biggest concern with underwear. This is so pretty. So let's see, does it have a retail value on here or anything? No, it just says Love Libby. This is from Portland, Oregon. And this is style number 3953, but it's made from 92% polyester and spandex. So this is beautiful. I'm excited to wear these. I love this month. What do you guys think? So we have this pair, which I just love this style. It's not going to be uncomfortable. And then we have these two other pairs of regular panties. So these seem like they'll be very comfy, perfect for every day. And I think the leopard print is fun. So 3 pairs for only $14.99 or less if you wanted to subscribe for multiple months. And again, I'm not sure how long that deal will be lasting on their website. Again, I'll link that down below. So if you want to save a little bit more money too, you can take advantage of that. But anyways, I love Splendies. I think it's so fun to get, refresh my underwear drawer, get some cute new pieces. I am loving it. So you guys have to let me know your thoughts down below. What's your favorite? Do you guys get this subscription? If you do we get the same pairs? I would love to hear from you. But anyways, thank you so much for being here and bagging the subscription with me. I love you guys so much. I hope you're having an amazing weekend, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.